everybody, welcome back to Vlogmas Day something. For today's video, I don't know what we're gonna get into for today's video, but I am going to wash the car now. Akira needs a wash badly, so I'm gonna give her a wash. Probably wash Christina today. We picked up some products yesterday, and we gotta go by Walmart today to get some Premier Protein shakes. Your boy needs to do better. I need to eat better. I'm getting a little chunky monkey, and I need to turn that chunky into some muscle. Okay? You getting a wash today, girl. You getting a wash today. So all orders have been shipped, so hopefully you guys get them before Christmas. I had like 3 orders in the last couple of days, well 2 days I think it was, so you guys should hopefully get those before Christmas. Thank you for always showing love and support to the channel. Hopefully new builds and new stuff will commence, hopefully. I mean, we got a place, we got a house, so how I look?
Your skin looking flawless because I did it. Not that beard though.
Damn, I gotta brush it, don't I? But what's up, y'all? From the last clip, like literally 2 minutes later, my girl comes home and she says that her cars have a check engine light. Luckily for her, look what I got. Look what I got. You can read that? It's an Arctic Dag 600S. This is basically an OBD2 scan tool, baby. So now we're gonna see what's going on with baby girl's car. And in case y'all interested, you know your boy gonna have a link down in the description box below. Alright, I'm gonna go brush my beard.
Hey Christina, what's up Akira?
Alright babe, so what was going on with the car? You said you were driving, check engine light came on, and the car started driving funny?
Yes. I don't know, some lights came on. I don't know anything about cars.
Let me see.
That's when I texted you, I'm like, babe, something's wrong with my car.
Let's see if you got check engine light. Okay, you were right. This is not good. So you got a check engine light. She got a check engine light, so we're gonna use our bad girl right here, baby, and see what's going on with baby girl's car. So the OBD2 scan port on my girl's car, which is a 2017, yeah?
No, babe, it's a 2016.
Oh, my bad. 2016 Honda Accord. Honda Accord Sport. Girl got a good mom. So the OBD2 port's right here. Plug that in like that. This should power on, like so, and we'll see what's going on. All right, so now we gotta see what's going on with her car. So we're gonna go to OBD2 over here. Know what I mean? Know what I mean, baby? This thing is pretty cool, man. I got like a big old tablet. If you're a car guy, it's like a little tablet.
It looks like a Nintendo DS.
Touchscreen too. So she does have 2 DTCs, which are like check engine lights. So we're gonna click on those, click OK. We're gonna go to read the fault code, see what's going on with her car. She has intake air, mass airflow sensor, O2 sensor heater, pending permanent mass airflow. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open her bonnet and I'm gonna see what's going on. Did you hit something in the road?
I don't know, probably.
I think I fixed your problem. Your code, your mass airflow sensor was a little bit loose. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. It's good to go. Turn the car on. You're fixed, babe. No more check engine light. Mass airflow sensor is good. No more lights. Gucci taters, baby. That's how we do it. I want to give a huge thank you to Top Done for the RD-600S diagnostic tool. This thing is a beast. This thing can do a lot. A lot. Wanna know how much it can do? Click the link in the description box below and get involved. You feel me? Yeah, she's shining, my boys. She is shining. But right now, we're gonna go to, drop this off at a donation center. And then we're gonna go to the gym. Bada bing bang. Bing bang. Little fingers to the police. Alright, we made it to Planet Fitness. Cause later on I plan on fitness. Never mind. Oh, you go, girl. Yeah. Alright, let's go. BJ's. I'm childish. That was probably the worst BJ I've had. BJ's is garbage. But now we're gonna go to Walmart so I can get these Premier Protein shakes and close out this vlog. Oh. This is my starting. I think it's 160 pounds. Getting big, man. So this is my before. We'll see the after in a couple of weeks or days. We'll see. I just ate, so my belly kind of big right now, but this is just gonna be something that you guys can maybe take shape with or something, but this is my starting. We'll have this thing ripped. Yeah. Alright, so what I picked up from BJ's, I mean not BJ's, but Walmart, was these cookies and cream Premier Protein shakes. I wouldn't recommend using these as meal replacements, but I'm kind of going to do so. I'm kind of going to do that. I may not look big to y'all, but to me, I feel and look big, bro. And I don't eat shit foods. I really don't. It's just maybe it's relationship weight or something. I don't know what it is, but your boy is about to get that 6-pack. With the Premier Protein shakes, what I'm gonna do for me, I already work out every day as it is. I'm gonna do more endurance workout type things than what I normally do. But yeah, this should be a fun little journey to eating better and, you know, taking actually some protein, getting my protein intake, because I really don't get enough protein throughout the day. So this should actually help, you know, regulate my body and get things situated. But yeah, that's what's going on, bro. Nice, cool little Monday vlog for y'all. It's 10 o'clock now, so I gotta get this video up and uploaded to y'all on this beautiful Monday. Tomorrow, the 21st, is my nephew's birthday. I think he's going to get a tattoo tomorrow. So tomorrow's vlog, and I'm actually getting a haircut tomorrow, because this is not it, bro. Like, oh God, bro. But thank y'all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy the video, leave a like on the video. I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of y'all. Thank y'all for watching. I'll be sure to catch y'all in the next one. I am out. Peace.